Alright, excuse my appearance, but I am bloody pissed off. Anthony Albanese just pledged to Medicare that they have like an $8.7 billion upgrade if they win the next election. He's had 4 years, 4 fucking years to fix our health system. And it has gone down the shit. My mother suffered abuse, discrimination, and medical negligence at Blacktown Hospital. Blacktown Hospital, which Chris Minns, you visited. You visited and said that will be your first priority. And yet my mother was told by the head cardiologist, that she needs to be put in an institution, where after she suffered a myocardial infarction that was exacerbated by a COPD. And now that same cardiologist said, oh no, she never had a heart attack, even though it's on an official discharge paper. Brad Seeley told my mother and I, the general manager at Blacktown Hospital, told my mother and I in front of the Healthcare Commission complaints officer that employment has risen by 50% and that wait times have been reduced. That's bullshit. Brad Seeley, you know that's fucking bullshit. Nurses and doctors have complained to my mother and I multiple times that staff are walking out like no tomorrow due to poor conditions and poor pay. One man who has complications of diabetes, and it was over 30, which has brought flashbacks on my own father, has been waiting for a bed for over 24 hours. Another one was waiting for an appendix removal for more than a day. You're only employing junior medical officers who are basically like trainees in childcare terms. And yet you're not keeping the qualified ones. Why? There needs to be a royal commission into our failing health system, from Medicare doctors to psychiatrists walking out under the Labor government to medical negligence in all hospitals across New South Wales. I mean, look at that poor 2-year-old child that died in the Northern Beaches Hospital due to negligence. This needs to stop. Education into disability patients like my mother needs to increase. She has had doctors and nurses go up to her and go, oh, can you walk? If you're in a wheelchair, chances are you can't fucking walk. So why do you feel the need to ask that question? Brad Seeley needs to be investigated. The whole executive at Blacktown Hospital needs to be investigated. And the Labor is doing jack shit to help our health system. I'm bloody pissed.